Hello guys, this side Siddharth, and yes, today I'm here to discuss a topic with you. And let's start with the topic. So the topic today I want to discuss with you is that whether the student should pay their fees to schools in the lockdown scenario or not. So okay, before discussing this, I want to categorize the schools into two parts. The first one is the affluent schools, and second one is the non-affluent school, which are normal school, usually in small cities, small towns. We can say that in usual cities, this kind of school exist. So, if we talk about affluent school, they have well-funded students from usually affluent families, so they can, pay the high fees, and school have a collected reserves for it to in case problems. So if we talk about the counterpart of that school, that the non affluent school, that is normal school, they do not have the major quantum of funds. They have a very less margin because they are charging very less fees from the students, because they are not in a such a affluent society. They are not residing in a these schools were not in a affluent society. So if you talk about the normal school, it is very hard for them to maintain their cost without taking the fees, because their cost does not include the cost of their building. Their cost includes the salary to all the staff which are still taking their classes. So the thing is that we have to completely understand the situation before this, that why we are paying the fees. Fees is to survive our schools. As same as the businesses are suffering from the lockdown, schools are also suffering from the lockdowns. And as same as that the big business can survive, big schools can survive. But if we talk about the normal schools, they are in problem as the normal business scenarios. So the thing is that, so from my perspective, normal schools should get their fees to continue their studies, because the academic session has already started. And from this point of view, if they will not get the fees, forget about the profit margin. They have to maintain their cost of teachers, because in several schools, teachers are of they have a permanent teachers since a long time. And if they will not be able to pay them, they will leave their schools and somehow turn to any other school or maybe any other platform to teach. So they have to need amount to maintain their cost, not the physical structure, but to the provide the cost of online tutoring as well, because they have to pay to the platform at which they are studying, teaching the children. Teaching is quite free nowadays, because several platforms are providing such scenarios, providing such situations in which we can teach few children free of cost for few hours. So that is not the major issue. The major issue is that the business have to survive in this situation, and if the students are able to pay them, they should pay. And because yes, it is understandable that most of the people are losing their job and the situation is quite overwhelming. So everything should taken into consideration, and school have their all on parts to play. They have to survive. So it is not bad. It's not a bad idea to demand for the fees even in the lockdown scenarios in which the schools are not physically available to the students. But yes, classes are going on and the cost is still there. Well, for kind information on, this is just my complete opinion. I have read the topic about in the newspaper, so I thought it should be discussed, and it should be completely discussed with you guys. And so please tell me your opinion in the comment section. So thank you so much.